Hello guys, welcome back to my next video of Pillow Library series. So this is second video on Pillow Library. In previous video I had shown you how to install the Pillow Library in the system as well as what is Pillow Library. So in this video I am going to show you how to open image with the help of Pillow Library in Python. So without any further delay, let me start the video. So whole code I am going to write in Sublime Text Editor. You can use any editor of your choice. So let me open the text editor. So I had opened here Sublime Text Editor. So now I am going to first save this file. So I am going to save with the name open.py. So to use this Pillow library, first we have to import this library or this module. So to import, type here from pil import image. So here I am going to import the image from the pil. So let me make the object of image dot open image equal to image dot open. So here I am going to make the image of image dot open. So this function, what this function will do, this function will open that file image, so which I am going to give here. So let me type ls. So here I had the image file in the current directory in where I am making this code, making the script. So this is the name of that file which I am going to open and show you. So copy this, I am going to copy this name of the file. So we have to give this name in open function in double quotes. Type here in double quotes, type the name of that image file. So I had written here. Now I am going to type here image.show. To see this file we have to type the img. Here is the img is the object which I had created before previous line. So here dot show is the function to see the file. So let me save this file, Ctrl S. Now I am moving to the terminal, type ls. So here open.py is the Python code. So I am going to type here python3 open.py to run this file. So you can see here the image is open and visible to us. So this is the image which we had created the Python code to see this. So with this Pillow library we can see many features, like we can see what is the size of this image. So to see this size, to see the height of this image, we have to give here img.height. Press Ctrl S. Now run the Python script again. So it is not printing the height of that image file. This is because img.height, it is returning the height of that file, but it is not printing. So I will use here print function to print the height of that image. Press Ctrl S. Now run again. So you can see here it is giving me 1200. So height of this file is the 1200. So now if you want to see the width of this file, so you can use here, let me type here print to print the img.wid width. So first it will print the height of this image file, and next it will be print the width of this file. So here I had done wrong spelling, print. So now run again. You can see here it is giving me two output. First is the height of that file, and the second will be the width of that file. So 1200 is the height and the 1600 is the width. So this we can print the height and width by this height and width, image.height and image.width. So there is one other feature, we can see both height and width with one command, like img.size. So it will be print the size of that file. So it will print the height and width along in one line. So let me run again the code. So you can see here in first line it is printing the 1200 at the height and 1600 at the width. Now we had printed the size of that image, so it is giving me the in parenthesis, like 1600 is the width and 1200 is the height. So it is giving me in parenthesis, I think is the tuple. Let me check this. This is tuple, I think. So to check this, type here type, what is the type of this Now run again. So it is tuple, so it is giving tuple. See here 1600 and 1200, 1600 with the width and 1200 is the height, so it is giving me tuple. If you want to print the format of that file, what is the format, what is the extension of this file, we can see here the .jpg is the extension, but what is that, if you want to print that, what is the type of that, what is the file type of that image, so we can print with the help of img dot format. So this will give the format, what type of format is that. Now run the code again, python 3 open.py. So you can see here 1200 is the height and 1600 width. We have comment this size, so it is not printing. And next it is giving the output like JPEG, so it is the JPEG file type. Format of this file is JPEG, so you can also see here JPEG, it is giving the extension, so we can print the extension by the dot format. So for today this much guys only. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.